Hi, everyone. I'm Abdalla Emam, co-founder and general partner of Indy Pixels Ventures. And I want to share a little bit about what we are building here with Indy Pixels Ventures. We started this fund with a simple belief. AI shouldn't just be built for the Fortune 500 or Silicon Valley insiders. We believe it can and should create a positive impact in industries and communities that are often overlooked. For years, I've worked as a designer myself and systems builder, creating product at companies like Google, Apple, and Atlassian. I have also founded two startups myself, and along the way, I saw the same problem again and again. Incredible founders outside of the traditional startup mold weren't getting the same access to capital or resources or networks. That's why we created Indy Pixels Ventures to back non-traditional founders who are building enterprise AI and SaaS tools that matters, especially in rural areas and underserved industries and rural communities. Often ventures ignore this industries and communities. So now we're not just another VC fund. Our roots are in product design and building. That means when we invest, we don't just write a check, we roll our sleeves. We help founders refine their product, shape their go to market strategy, and connect with the right customers and advisors. Think of us as a part investor, part design partner, and part community builder. We focus on early stage companies, typically post money valuation between $1 million to $10 million. And we are especially excited about founders building in areas like healthcare delivery, agriculture, logistics, education, and other real world industries where AI can make a real difference. So, a little bit more about the fund. Our first fund, Indy Pixels Ventures Fund 1, is a $10 million fund that will invest over about 36 months. So for investors, the good thing about it that I personally have a skin in the game, and Indy Pixels Venture will include and invest at least 2% of the fund. We only take carry if the entire fund is profitable, and we give, of course, our investors access to oversubscribed and stealth deal that cannot be found on. For founder, that means you get more than capital. You get access to a team that's been in your shoes. We have built startup from ideas stage, seed stage, to Series A. At the end of the day, this is about unlocking innovation where others aren't looking. AI should empower local businesses, educators, farmers, healthcare workers, and communities, not just the usual players. So if you're a founder building an enterprise AI for SaaS product with a real world impact, especially if you don't fit the traditional Silicon Valley mold, we would love to hear from you. And if you're an investor who believe in our mission and bringing AI innovation to overlooked industries and communities, please reach out and let's talk. This is Indy Pixels Ventures. We're here to back the next generation of founders who are building tools that matters. Thank you.